Mike at Extreme Audio with a 2015 Audi Q7 that we added a remote start system to. This vehicle is equipped with the switchblade style regular key. We'll give you a quick rundown on how this remote control works.
On this particular Audi, Directed Electronics offers the most seamless installation, so we set it up with a Python single-button remote that has up to a 1-mile range and 2-way confirmation. Simply press the start button once and you'll get a green light back to confirm that the vehicle actually got the signal. When you're ready to leave, one press of the button will unlock the doors. Say something came up and you're not able to leave right now, you can push the button down and hold it and turn the vehicle back off. Interested in a remote start for your Audi? Check us out at extremeaudio.org or stop by one of the locations listed at the end of the video.
Extreme Audio has 2 Richmond, Virginia area locations, one in Mechanicsville just past Lee Davis High School next door to Sheehy Nissan, and the other in Midlothian off Hull Street Road in the building with Steelhorse Harley Davidson.